lousy black swan. Darren Aronofsky said he wants 16 for the pound, but I'm trying to get it under wraps like Saudi. Could have been 30, could have been a G. Should have never snitched, why you take it to? Then they're looking at you funny when you walking down the street, looking at you like food, trying to see where they can eat. Me, I'm like Wallow with a gilly with a cane. You don't really want to actually behave whenever on stage and the really gets made. I need that good price. What the plug to improve the Billy is psycho Patrick Bateman. If you see her with me, she's taken.